These don't have a spinning wheel.
Oh my god, it's raining. I'm getting rain all over. Yeah.
Did you go in a car or did you walk?
In the car.
Walk. John, walk with us. Walk with each other.
Yeah, man.
No, you can walk with us from here because you live.
Yeah, but he had to come home with me.
No, because we're going back.
I mean, you could have came over.
Are you sleeping at his?
No. You
Oh
could-
yeah, we're going back by his after all we then.
I think
Like,
you could have came back and you could have came round and like called for us, but I'm not sure if my parents would have let me.
yeah, they didn't know sleep in the car.
How can we call for you?
Whoa!
Yeah, but we're ready for now. I know what happened.
Wait, guys, I'm shooting it.
So imagine on the firework and then
I wish you could do a GTA. Hi, miss. I just see one of the nice people.
Where? Josh, where?
She just gone past. Miss Dunbar, science
Miss
teacher.
Dumbo.
Yeah, that's it. No, don't. Check well, that's it.
Joe, look at dropping on the ground.
I wish GTA can do fireworks. That was sick.
You can land, can
You can. There's a firework gun. God damn it.
No, actually fireworks land. You can go to fireworks and land.
Okay, I'll add you as long as you promise not to hack me. Send me a little friend request. Oh my god, I'm hitting it. Oh my god, I'm hitting every shot. What do you think of the fireworks?
Have you seen pizza?
Hey, Josh, what do you think of the fireworks?
Stop finishing it.
God, it's going to go for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes now. I told you they got like... Oh! You got 30. The way it makes a noise. Definitely, are they illegal?
But you know that
Maybe.
fireworks what I had, yeah? There was illegal. One of Jay.